Hello, my name is Nicole Bauberger. I have the delightful duty of curating the ADCO Youth Gallery here at the Yukon Arts Centre till the end of May. Young Water Speaks is an exhibition of stories and artworks about water, written and drawn by students across Canada. Students and organizers built each of these pieces around a child's story or poem about water. Often they speak of water as a person, an imaginary character, or a spirit. These pieces invite us to think about how important water is to our lives, what we do as humans in relationship to water, and how to treat it with more respect. These pieces have all been printed onto different kinds of cloth. How do the different kinds of cloth give you a different feeling with each story? What different styles of drawing do you notice in each piece? Can you identify what cultures they come from? How do you use water in your life? What is the difference between a poem, a story, and a prayer? What do they have in common?